Hello my friends and welcome. In today's video I'm gonna show you top 3 websites where you can mine free crypto and withdraw instant to your FaucetPay. These websites are tested and working. This one for Ethereum, LTC and TRX. So in order to earn in these websites, you just need a FaucetPay. You put your email, receive a miner automatically working. You just enter and withdraw instant and for free. No effort, no investments. All the links you're gonna need, you can find this under this video in the description. So this is the first website. This is completed 40 days and it's still working. This is an Ethereum cloud miner for FaucetPay. So you click on this button in here. They ask you for your email of FaucetPay. This is how you can receive the withdrawals. So you need a FaucetPay account. You put the same email in here. So you put this captcha in here, verify and start mining. So once you enter, you can find the dashboard like this. This is the website and you can see it's mining automatically. How this works, guys, they will give you a free speed, 3 gigahash. This is hash power or mining speed. So this 3 gigahash will give you this estimate daily earnings. As you can see, if you have, for example, 30, it's gonna become 10x of this. Easy and simple, guys. So how can people increase this speed? They can increase it from here, guys, but guys, these websites, no one knows how long they're gonna last or what they're gonna do. So I don't recommend anyone to get any more speed from here, guys. It's nothing guarantee and it's risky. So you can always work for free. You can share with your friends also. You can find your link in here, copy it and share it with your friends, and you can get 50% extra bonus. As you can see, high returns for free. When you want to withdraw, guys, just click on this button. You can see the minimum is very low. So this is one of the benefits of using FaucetPay. You can withdraw even 1 Satoshi. And this is instant. So we're gonna hit max and confirm. Easy and simple, guys. As you can see, it's paid. And you can see all my withdrawals in here. And it's still working after 40 days. This is crazy, guys. So we withdraw now to FaucetPay. And this is instant. Let's check on my FaucetPay to show you the withdrawal proof. Let's refresh. As you can see, my friends, instant and for free automatic crypto. The second website similar to this. In here you can earn LTC automatic and for free. So this website also is new, guys. As you can see, 9 days. This is when it started. So let's go to the dashboard and show you guys the withdrawal proof also in this website. So once you enter this website, they will give you 5 gigahash. This is your mining power for free. So this mining power will give you this daily earnings in here, as you can see. And you can also share with your friends in here and get free commissions. So let's withdraw, guys, this amount I have in here. So let's go to the withdraw. You click on this button and withdraw also for free on this website. So let's hit max and confirm. As you can see, my friends, it's paid instantly and for free. So let's show you the proof also on the second website. As you can see, my friends, crazy websites. So this is the third one. This is for TRX. So also this website is not new, as you can see, 46 days. So let's go to the dashboard. In here, guys, you can see this website is a little bit different. You need to farm for this crypto. So this miner, you need to claim. For example, it mines and it stopped. So you need to claim, as you can see, every 30 minutes you claim this amount. You can see crazy like a faucet miner. So you just click on this button. You solve this captcha. So it's not working forever, guys. You just need to claim every like 30 minutes, as you can see. And this is adapt to the balance. It's very simple, guys, also, but you need to check every 30 minutes on this website. Otherwise, if you have a miner, guys, it's gonna automatically work. So you can see that timer in here, and also you can share with your friends to get commissions, and you can withdraw also for free. So let's withdraw also TRX for free on this website. The minimum is just 0.001, which is what you can claim every 30 minutes. So you can withdraw every 30 minutes if you like. I'm gonna hit max. This is it. We're gonna receive 0.51 TRX. Let's confirm. As you can see, my friend, it's paid instantly and for free. Let's show you the proof on my FaucetPay. As you can see, this is the top websites, guys, exist right now, where you can mine free crypto and withdraw. More websites similar to this you can find always on my channel, so you can subscribe, activate the bell, you can stay updated. I'm always searching for this type of websites. You can find my socials in here. You can join also my Telegram and my X. In here you can find more cloud miners similar to this for free. Crypto games and crypto news, all 100% free websites. This is all about this video. I hope you like it. Thank you, my friends, for all your support, and see you all in the next video.